What does he peel? He peels the potato. What does she cut? She cuts the tomato. What does she wash? She washes the lettuce. What does he cut? He cuts the carrot. What's that? That's broccoli. What does she pick? She picks spinach. What does she cut? She cuts the onion. What's that? That's garlic. What does he cut? He cuts the bell pepper. What's in the field? The cabbage is in the field. What's that? That's cauliflower. What does he open? He opens the avocado. What does he cut? He cuts the cucumber. What are they? They are beans. What is she cooking? She's cooking rice. What is hot? The sweet potato is hot. What is green? The asparagus is green. What does he cut? He cuts the zucchini. What does he pick? He picks the eggplant. What boils in the water? The peas boil in the water. What's that? That's ginger. What does she pick? She picks parsley. What's that? That's mint tea. What does he pick? He picks basil. What does the bread have? The bread has caraway. What's that? That's thyme. What's that? That's salt and pepper. What does he cut? He cuts coriander. What's on the spoon? Oregano is on the spoon. What's that? That's turmeric.